Hey everyone, it's Denis Kantarovic, and let's be real, the financial game is changing. Forget what you thought you knew about building wealth, because in 2025, it's all about leveraging the power of crypto, AI, and tokenized assets. That's how the top 1% are absolutely crushing it right now. I'm talking about earning $300 or more in passive income per minute. You might be thinking, Dennis, that sounds insane, and you know what? You'd be right. It is insane, insanely awesome, because in this video I'm breaking down the exact strategies they use so you can implement them too. We're diving deep into the world of digital assets, AI-powered finance, and exclusive investment opportunities that most people don't even know exist. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos about building wealth in the digital age. And as a bonus for joining the Elite Wealth Hub community, I'm giving away my free Wealth Builder Toolkit in the description below. It's packed with resources to help you kickstart your journey to financial freedom. This toolkit is your first step towards understanding and implementing the strategies we'll be talking about today. We'll cover everything from identifying the right digital assets to using AI to automate your investments, and even how to access exclusive deals that are usually reserved for the ultra-wealthy. So, download the toolkit, buckle up, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk digital assets. The days of thinking crypto is just for tech bros and risky gamblers are over. Today, cryptocurrencies are evolving into sophisticated financial instruments, and the wealthy are using them to build structured wealth, just like traditional assets. We're not just talking about Bitcoin anymore, though it's still a major player. Think tokenized stocks, real estate, and even commodities. These digital representations of real-world assets are traded 24/7, offering incredible liquidity and accessibility. Imagine owning a fraction of a high-value property or a blue-chip company stock, all with the click of a button and the ability to trade it any time you want. That's the power of tokenization, and it's completely changing the investment landscape. Platforms like Ondo are making it easier than ever to gain exposure to high-quality, diversified bond portfolios, while Realty allows you to invest in income-generating rental properties with as little as $50. This isn't some far-off future, this is happening right now. And let's not forget about Chainlink, which acts as a bridge between the real world and the blockchain, ensuring the security and reliability of these digital assets. This is crucial for building trust and transparency in the crypto space, which is essential for attracting institutional investors and fueling mainstream adoption. So, if you're serious about building wealth in 2025 and beyond, you need to understand how digital assets are changing the game. One of the biggest advantages the wealthy have always had is access to markets that never sleep. They can react to opportunities as they arise, regardless of time zones or traditional banking hours. But with digital assets, that advantage is no longer exclusive. Crypto markets are open 24/7, 365 days a year. This means you can buy, sell, or trade your assets at any time from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This constant accessibility allows for tactical portfolio adjustments and the ability to capitalize on market movements as they happen. No more waiting for the opening bell or worrying about missing out on a great deal because the market is closed. This level playing field is a game changer for individual investors looking to compete with institutional players. And remember, time is money, especially in the fast-paced world of finance. The ability to act quickly and decisively can mean the difference between securing a profitable trade and missing out on a golden opportunity. So embrace the 24/7 nature of the digital asset market and use it to your advantage. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting applications of digital assets, tokenized real estate. Real estate has always been a cornerstone of wealth building, but it's traditionally been inaccessible to many due to high entry costs and illiquidity. Tokenization completely changes that. Platforms like Realt, Lofty AI, and Solid Block are fractionalizing ownership of properties, allowing you to invest in prime real estate with a fraction of the traditional cost. Imagine owning a piece of a luxury condo in Dubai, a commercial building in New York City, or even a vacation rental in Bali. all without dealing with tenants, mortgages, or property management. This not only lowers the barrier to entry for investors, but it also unlocks liquidity in a traditionally illiquid market. You can easily buy or sell your tokenized real estate shares on secondary markets, providing you with greater flexibility and control over your investments. Plus, the use of smart contracts automates tasks like rent collection and distribution, making the entire process more efficient and transparent. Tokenized real estate is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize how we invest in property. While Bitcoin was the pioneer, it's crucial to remember that the world of digital assets extends far beyond just one cryptocurrency. There's an entire ecosystem of altcoins, each with its own unique use cases and potential for growth. Ethereum, for example, is the leading platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, powering a vast array of projects in decentralized finance, NFTs, and more. Stablecoins like USDC and Tether provide stability and are often used for trading and transacting within the crypto space. And then there are emerging sectors like DeFi, which is revolutionizing traditional financial services, and the metaverse, where virtual worlds are creating entirely new economies powered by digital assets. Don't limit yourself to just one corner of this rapidly evolving landscape. Diversifying your portfolio across a range of promising digital assets can mitigate risk and potentially increase your returns. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto space. Take the time to research and understand different projects and their underlying technologies before investing. Now let's move on to another game changer in the world of finance, artificial intelligence. Forget about spreadsheets and manual analysis. AI is taking over the reins of financial management. And guess what? The wealthy are already leveraging its power to build wealth faster and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine having a personalized AI financial advisor available 24/7, analyzing market trends, optimizing your portfolio, and even automating your investment strategies. That's the reality for those who are embracing the power of AI in finance. No longer a futuristic concept, AI-powered tools are here today, and they're accessible to anyone willing to learn how to use them. These tools can process massive amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and opportunities that humans simply can't detect. This allows for more informed investment decisions, reduced risk through diversification, and ultimately, the potential for greater returns. But it's not just about automating tasks. AI can also help you make smarter investment choices. By analyzing your risk tolerance, financial goals, and market conditions, AI-powered robo-advisors can suggest personalized investment strategies tailored to your specific needs. This takes the guesswork out of investing and helps you stay on track to reach your financial goals faster. One of the most exciting developments in AI is the rise of custom GPTs, or generative pre-trained transformers. These powerful language models can be trained on specific data sets, including financial data, to provide incredibly insightful analysis and predictions. Imagine having a GPT that's been trained on decades of market data, economic indicators, and even the investment strategies of the world's most successful investors. You could ask it anything from what are the best performing assets in a recession to how can I optimize my portfolio for maximum growth, and receive data-driven insights tailored to your specific situation. These custom GPTs are like having a personal brain trust at your fingertips, helping you make smarter financial decisions based on a wealth of information. And the best part is, as AI technology continues to advance, these GPTs will only become more powerful and sophisticated. They'll be able to analyze even more complex data sets, identify emerging trends with greater accuracy, and provide even more personalized financial advice. This is just the beginning of what AI can do in the world of finance. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will further democratize access to sophisticated financial tools and strategies. Another area where AI is making waves in finance is yield optimization. Simply put, yield optimization is the art of maximizing returns on your investments, and AI bots are becoming increasingly adept at it. These bots can scour various lending platforms, DeFi protocols, and staking opportunities to identify the highest yielding options for your digital assets. They can then automatically move your funds between these different platforms to ensure you're always earning the best possible return. This eliminates the need for manual monitoring and adjustment, saving you time and potentially boosting your profits. Think of it as putting your money on autopilot, but with an intelligent co-pilot constantly searching for the most lucrative opportunities. And because these bots operate 24/7, you never have to worry about missing out on a profitable opportunity. Whether you're lending out stable coins, providing liquidity to DeFi pools, or staking your crypto assets, AI bots can help you maximize your returns without the hassle of constant manual management. This is just one example of how AI is leveling the playing field, giving individual investors access to tools and strategies that were previously available only to institutional players. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the thought of managing your investments with AI, don't worry, robo-advisors are here to help. These automated investment platforms utilize sophisticated algorithms and AI to manage your portfolio for you, aligning your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Think of them as your personal AI-powered portfolio manager, but without the high fees and minimum investment requirements of traditional financial advisors. Robo-advisors take the emotion out of investing, using data-driven strategies to build and manage your portfolio. They can automatically rebalance your portfolio, harvest tax losses, and even adjust your investment strategy based on changing market conditions. This ensures that your investments are always working in your best interest, even if you're not actively managing them. And because robo-advisors are entirely digital, they're incredibly accessible, affordable, and easy to use. You can open an account and get started with just a few clicks, making them an ideal solution for both beginner and experienced investors looking for a hassle-free way to manage their money. We've all heard the saying, it takes money to make money, and for the longest time, that rang especially true when it came to exclusive investment opportunities. We're talking about access to venture capital funds, hedge funds, private equity, the kind of deals that could make you a fortune, but were always kept behind closed doors. Well, guess what? The walls are coming down thanks to the power of tokenization. Imagine being able to invest in the next Uber or Airbnb before they even go public. Tokenization is making that a reality by representing ownership of these private assets as digital tokens. Suddenly, these exclusive opportunities are open to a much wider pool of investors. Platforms like Republic, Inex, and Arcax are leading the charge, connecting investors with these previously inaccessible deals. We're talking about fractional ownership in everything from startups to real estate developments to fine art. The wealthy have always understood the power of diversification, and now, thanks to tokenization, they're building even more sophisticated portfolios with access to markets most people didn't even know existed. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but isn't this just another way for the rich to get richer? And while it's true that the wealthy are often early adopters of new technology, here's the thing. Tokenization has the potential to level the playing field like never before. See, in the past, getting into these private markets required serious connections, not to mention a small fortune just to get started. But with tokenization, the barriers to entry are significantly lower. Fractional ownership means you don't need millions just to get skin in the game. This means that everyday investors, people like you and me, can now access the same types of investments that were once reserved for the ultra-wealthy. And that's a game changer. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures and build wealth alongside those who have traditionally held all the cards. Of course, with any investment, especially in the world of crypto and blockchain, due diligence is absolutely crucial. Just because an asset is tokenized doesn't automatically make it a good investment. In fact, the barrier to entry for creating and listing tokenized assets can be quite low, which means there are bound to be some bad apples out there. That's why it's more important than ever to do your research. Look into the platforms you're using, understand the underlying assets being tokenized, and make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved. Don't just jump into something because it sounds exciting or because you heard about it from some random person online. Remember, Knowledge is power. Take the time to educate yourself about the world of tokenized assets, and you'll be in a much better position to make informed investment decisions. The rise of tokenized private market access is just one example of how the world of finance is being revolutionized by blockchain technology. It's about breaking down barriers, increasing transparency, and giving individuals more control over their financial lives. And let's be real, this is just the tip of the iceberg. As more and more assets become tokenized, we're going to see a fundamental shift in the way we think about investing. The traditional financial system is being challenged, and it's exciting to see how these new technologies are shaping the future of wealth creation. So buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. The future of wealth is here, and it's powered by technology. From crypto to AI to tokenization, the tools are available for anyone willing to learn and adapt. But remember, it's not just about chasing the latest trends. It's about building a solid foundation for long-term financial success. If you want to build wealth, not noise, you're in the right tribe. Subscribe to Elite Wealth Hub right now, download your free Wealth Builder toolkit, and let's dominate this digital decade together.